bottom.
So you've got the camera ready. Where are you going? It's recording.
Oh, it's recording? I wasn't expecting. Boom! Perfect! It's gotta be $40 on the side. It's like right side. Yeah, Alright, take a pic. Huh? Take a pic. Go ahead, smile. You look good.
You're on video.
All you need is another man in the front seat to be fun. Oh! You got you on camera with that too. Annie, what about the guy you was making out with? What's different? What about the back seat you went to? It's like our other back here.
It's not a picture, it's recording.
Alright, get out of the car. Come on. Annie's gotta look. Let me get in. Yeah, let me get in. Annie's gotta get in the car. Give me some space with me. Annie's gotta get in. Get out of my car. Get out of my car, fellas. Yeah. You're dirtying my car. Come on. You're dirtying my car out there. Anybody want? Oh! That was him. You did first. You did my hair, dumbass. They started.
Whatever, get out.
They started. I'm driving Benz, big deal.
Oh man, she's doing loud.
They started. My hair.
That was embarrassing, sir.
So what?
She gave you a cheese. Or get out of her boot. Like she acted like she owned Porsche.
She waxed it? Black man, white tires.
How do I shut this off now? Hello, how do I shut this off?